Hey there, I'm Chris Ponick, Certified Public Accountant, Certified Coach, and the host of the Mastering Your Small Business Finances podcast. And I want to welcome you to this new series that I'm doing on this podcast. My intention is to drop one of these additional episodes every Monday while I continue to provide you with the regular Mastering Your Small Business Finances podcast episodes, which will continue to help you take control of and understand your business finances with topics that ultimately impact your bottom line. I have many business owners, accountants, and other high-stress professionals who listen to this podcast, and I want to get more help out there for individuals like you when it comes to mastering your mindset. I'll be taking a few moments each week to touch on topics that many high-stress professionals are dealing with and provide solutions to help you increase your overall well-being. Because I know your time is valuable, just like the Mastering Your Small Business Finances podcast, my goal is to keep these episodes short and straight to the point, but full of useful information to help you succeed in not only your professional life, but your personal life as well. Have you ever woken up, looked at your calendar, and felt that familiar heaviness or weight in your chest? The weight of a problem or challenge that you've been carrying around for weeks, months, or maybe even years. Maybe it's a client situation that keeps spiraling, a workload issue that you swear you're going to streamline when things slow down, or a personal struggle that you've gotten so used to that it feels like it's part of your identity. If you're like most accountants, CPAs, business owners, and high-stress professionals, you're incredible at solving other people's problems. But when it comes to your own, something strange happens. You start to think things like, it's too hard, it's not worth the effort, or this is just how things are for me. And so you keep living with a problem that you could absolutely solve. What I want to offer for you today is something that has changed not only my life, but also many of my clients' lives. And it's at the heart of the reinvention process. There's no problem in your life that you can't solve, not one. And the moment that you begin to believe that, even just a little bit, your entire life opens up. Today, I'm going to help you see your problems differently. I'm going to help you think the way high-performing, calm, emotionally regulated problem solvers think. I'm going to show you how problems and challenges in your life can become doorways to opportunity, but only if you're willing to walk through them. Let's dive in. Do you ever wonder why we stay stuck with what we think are unsolvable problems? Let me share a quick story, and you might find that it resonates with you. One of my clients told me when we first started working together that she was exhausted, overwhelmed, and convinced that she was bad at problem solving. Her office was always getting documents and information from clients in late, and there were workflow issues and unclear expectations with her staff. She had tried fixing things before, but everything felt too big to handle for her, too messy, or too far gone. She kept telling herself that she shouldn't have to deal with all of it. I know this sentence seems so innocent, but it's one of the biggest obstacles to problem solving. It creates resistance, it shuts down your creativity, and it keeps you stuck. When she joined the reinvention process, I didn't give her a 52-step solution. I didn't hand her a checklist. I didn't give her a script for her staff. We did something much more powerful. We worked on her thoughts. Because when you find yourself thinking something like, this shouldn't be happening, your creativity shuts down. But when your thoughts shift to something more like, I can solve this, then your brain starts engaging and everything opens up for you. One of the core pillars of the reinvention process is learning how to show your brain that solutions are always available, even when your default instinct is to panic, buffer, procrastinate, or freeze. By teaching my client this work, she didn't just solve a workflow issue. she became someone who solves workflow issues, and that identity shift meant everything to her. If this topic resonates with you, don't wait. The rest of this episode is waiting for you inside my free private podcast, Mastering Your Mindset Moments. It's created specifically for business owners, accountants, and high-stress professionals just like you. People who are done feeling overwhelmed, burnt out, or stuck in survival mode, and are ready to live a happier, healthier, and more fulfilling life. When your schedule is packed and the pressure is high, it's easy to lose sight of why you're working so hard. Inside this private podcast, I share quick, powerful mindset and productivity tools that you can apply right away, even during your busiest seasons, to reduce stress, reclaim your time, and enjoy the life that you've worked so hard to achieve. It's free to join, and you'll get instant access when you go to financialadventure.com/private. Don't put this off. This podcast is your shortcut to meaningful results in just a few minutes a week. Your next step towards feeling more in control, less overwhelmed, and finally enjoying a more balanced lifestyle again is only one episode away. I'll post links to this and other valuable resources for business owners, accountants, and other high-stress professionals where you're listening to this podcast.